Black Rifle Coffee, day 2, tack. Should be a good day. Got fried yesterday.
Fried?
Got Braxton.
Is that what you said?
Fried.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got fried.
Yeah. Dude, I was sitting there.
Lindley.
Got toast.
Bray Bray.
What's up, guys?
I was sitting there.
My dad.
Thinking that my heater was on.
Let's get up there.
There's old Jared's 100-yard cold shot challenge, but I'm going for 92 first shot. I'm old mountain goat. I hit its back. Why is it so loud?
Painful. You hit the steel in it.
Heading over to the caribou chute. Where'd he go? Oh, there you are.
Where did he go?
Where'd he go?
How you guys doing?
Good. Figured might as well try shooting caribou before I get worn out.
So it's 15 an arrow.
Okay.
You buy 10, you get 11.
Okay.
So 150 gives you 11 shots.
Okay. Let's.
Did you buy 11 tickets?
What, dude? I need every chance I can get. I could win a truck. Then I could retire the taco. How many people have got it so far throughout?
We had 2 yesterday.
Nice.
I think that makes it 91. 12 ring. No magnification on your bow, all right?
Okay. I gotta range it and make sure.
Great. It was actually really fun.
On my rangefinder, 108. Does that sound right?
To back up the back.
Usually it's always been 111.
Cone?
They're walking. Hang tight.
Okay. A little low.
Well, your arrows are touching.
Was that 7?
Big break.
Yeah, probably should. Well, decent group with what, 4 or 5 of them? 4. One was hot. One of those arrows was a terrible flyer. It just shot way over its back. Weird. I got 2 good left and right, just low. 2 good elevation, just left. So we're in there. I just need to fine tune it. It's gonna be a perfect 12 ring. This one's good left and right, like money. If I would have brought that one up, or these ones freaking to the right. All right, round 2, arrow number 8. Whoa. This is gonna be it. We're just coming up the lift. We're gonna get lift. It's gonna be so annoying. That one's game changer. Skiing.
You're never gonna escape the camera today.
We can, I mean, you wanna shoot with us?
Yeah, who's got money and don't care. They're just shooting and leaving.
They show us how it's done so we have a place to aim.
Age
All right.
before beauty, Dad.
Oh, here we go with the age jokes. Yeah. Yep. I wish I was 30. He's quartered away, but I think I put it back too far.
I think you killed it though, for sure.
You got a battery?
Yeah.
Oh, it's somebody closest.
You? Atta boy. I was going for a kill shot, bro.
It's
12 rings?
I don't aim for 12
brings aim.
You bench your butt all at the same time. It helps.
Still getting you after the spray?
Well, I didn't put it on my head. Should have.
Quickly shoot. Get this. So this group's not always waiting on us.
I didn't put any on, and they're eating my neck.
Shut out of it.
Shoulda.
Two targets into black rifle. Shooting good so far, feeling great.
Thank you.
Lifesavers. Lifesavers.
I'll see you in a couple of targets. And
Right, yeah, we need another. For real. There you go. There you go.
Good job. Yep, pull into that wall. Level that bubble.
$40 yards uphill.
4.
You're good, dude.
It's a Hoyt.
It's a Hoyt.
You guys see yourself staying in Oregon for a long time?
You're gonna have random audio.
Hey, you want to do that again?
You're not filming?
No.
It's been a really good day. I haven't lost any arrows. And Jared missed one target, so I'm doing better than him. I'm better. I'm cooler.
I technically hit it.
Technically, he hit it. Bounced off a limb. Not so good. I just haven't been holding very steady.
You too? Your dad down there?
Yeah, his dad is.
Dang.
Hi.
Ram.
Ram right there? Oh yeah.
Quite the angle, huh? I don't know where that went.
There's a skeeter on my Peter, whack it off. Nice. I think I quit.
Shooting good, dude.
Target 6. It is a, what is it? Badger?
Badger.
Badger. 41-yard badger. Is that what y'all got?
Right next to a rock.
Right next to a rock. Hoorah.
Money.
Spinal.
Okie dokie.
Imagine you were playing your favorite music at your party.
Is this the same group we been following?
Those ones up there.
They must have passed.
He's all about that long shit.
Yeah, we were looking at shooting Bozeman and
That was knockout the first.
yeah. We didn't
So the black, where it like meets the top. I would trust your rangefinder, not his shooting.
He lives in Ryan, get shot. Yeah, shut off by those. That's cool.
It's called V-drone. They'll go like 90 miles an hour.
58 is what you guys
Yeah,
got?
that's what we got, 58.
Target 9. 47 yards. Turkey, huh?
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble.
There you go, Monty.
Great shot.
Right into ours somewhere
That's
in
where
there.
you want to be, right there.
The Robin Hood it.
67 on the
And it's got
gator.
ripped fletching.
That's the reason why you hit it.
That's right. Gotta throw a little funk in there, right? That wild card.
It slowed it down just
Yeah,
enough.
just enough. Nice.
Oh, we almost split it.
Somebody's close.
Well, they said we're gonna get a picture. I'm like, you're not grabbing your camera now. Oh, his picture. Ooh, good ball.
Right there on the elbow of mine.
Was it?
Green, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
15. As a group, we've lost maybe 2 arrows, so not too bad. Getting hot.
Lemon oil.
It's a nice little break.
We may or may
Getting
not
my
have
fruit
had one
snacks.
Before we started this morning.
Been a good time.
We
Just
started
enjoying
every year allegedly with one.
the great outdoors.
Yeah, little lemon oil. Gotta start it off good. What kind?
What you got?
I got turkey and I got ham, some provolone, protein chips, and that's about it. Fuel up at this station. Sponsored by Total Archery Challenge.
A little high and left.
A little high on the left. Right where my pin was.
Neck.
Goddamn execution.
There you go. I cut 2 off.
This way.
Jared. Sir. Next target, baby. Yeah, it's a lot less ankle breaking.
Oh my God, that was brutal on my feet.
Yeah. There was no flat ground.
No. Ball size. Ball trip. For like 30.
Really?
25.
Wow, that's incredible.
It's one of the first ones I bought a long time ago.
I love that.
Yeah, his style's crazy.
Let's see here.
You guys got quite the group going there.
You like it for like.
I'm gonna try to go above them. Nice. Right above them.
Where's my arrow?
Such
How
a
was
good
it?
day on the mountain. Just shooting bows with all my hoes.
Where was it?
In the ring.
It's a good time. Shooting bows with the hose. Yeah. That's
I
postable.
stole yours.
Good. So, on that beaver and the center ring is 3 rounds of my thumb.
Yeah.
And you were in.
Smoked it.
Sounded good.
Looked.
Good. What do you see? Your side. Is it easy to see?
Not really. It's this white line. I went
That's not any
45.
difference though.
I just went straight 45. Good shot. Right with mine.
Aim recording.
Yeah.
Shot 22. Deer tucked in the trees. Fucking crawled right in my ear.
Pitching rods together.
Not natural. That was good.
That was a money shot, dude. Did you get 43?
I got 45.
45? Yeah.
That was good.
Nice, that tucked in there.
Dude, we were shooting the
Smoked it. Don't worry. I'm not stressed out about it.
Target 25. It's one of my bucket list hunts right here. Mountain goat. We are at 86 yards.
So what if you aimed like
TAC Black Rifle Coffee has been a blast.
just a hit?
Let's see.
All right, go down so I can get you. Yeah, right there.
Those 2 shots would have killed that animal bad. Big time. You're gonna like your shot. You put it right where you told me.
Yep. Yep. It was a little higher. I think it's because of those thermals, but
Oh,
that was my left and right was where I was.
I don't know about. I don't
pulled
think
right.
that's too high at all, really.
It's not spine. I mean, it'd kill for sure, like you're saying.
That's dead center in the circle,
But
bro.
instead of like, if I'm going for.
I'd like to thank everybody that built this bow. Dude.
That's not a bad.
Left. Left.
Nice.
Did it? I felt left.
In the binos, but it looks pretty neat.
I felt kind of left.
Well, that is it for TAC this year, 2023. Got my big lens on my camera, so I'm using my phone. But we had a blast. Hung out with Jesse and Corey. Just met them today. It's a lot of fun. Shot really well. I'm pretty pumped. I'm ready for the season. It was a great time. If you've never been up to TAC at any of your states, you should come check it out. It's a great time. A lot of fun. A lot of hiking. A lot of arrows shot. But appreciate you guys watching. Thanks. Oh,